What is up, YouTube? And can I say it's been a year since I got my trolling motor put on my kayak. So we're just going to talk about a review that I've been using this Haswing Cayman 12 volt 55-pound thrust trolling motor on my new canoe F12 for 1 year already. And it's been a great year. Golly, this thing has taken me up and down the Canoochee River, up and down the Ogeechee River, Clark's Hill, Lake Tobo. Golly, man, it's been everywhere. And I have to say that it's been a heck of a trolling motor so far. Hadn't had any problems with them. I'm not sponsored by them. I received this as a Christmas gift from my beautiful wife. So I'm just giving my honest opinion about it from an honest fisherman. So yeah, man, it's so this trolling motor came in with a wireless remote and a foot pedal, and came with the quick disconnect here. I had to do some modifications for the bow mount for the new canoe. I just had to match it up, drill some extra holes in the quick disconnect bracket. I ran this on lead. First of all, I would suggest getting lithium batteries. You just get so much more hours out of lithium, and you get a little bit more power as well, as you don't lose voltage in your lithiums as you do your lead acid, and the weight in the kayak as well. So I run the watt cycle lithium batteries. I run a 12 volt 100 amp hour for my trolling motor, and I get plenty of usage. I can, golly, if I'm not going against any kind of wind or anything, if it's just a slick day out there on the water, you probably get 2 days out of the lithium. But this last fishing trip I took to Lake Juliet, the wind was blowing hectic, man, and I think I got off the water with still 65% of power left on the 100 amp hour. By the way, you can save some money if you use SCG KBF 25 over on the Watt Cycle Battery website. Just kind of throw that out there to you. Get a little bit of money off. But yeah, it's of course I've run my batteries in the back. I've got the power connections up here. I did have to cut the line. You always have to cut to put this plug on. One thing I like about the Haswing up here, it kind of gives you 150 and 20% lights here. Kind of let you know how much battery power you have left. It does have a three blade prop on it. I hadn't cut down the shaft. I don't think I will. I kind of like the longer shaft a little bit. But yeah, I did add me a deploy rope to it. Just made some paracord deploy rope. But yeah, man, golly, I can't tell you that. I get somewhere, with my big butt and all my gear and everything, I get somewhere around 2.9 to 3.1, depending on the day, as far as speed wise, because this motor is pushing or pulling. If you got it on the front half, you're pulling. If you got it on the back half, you're pushing. But yeah, man, with me, golly, roughly 290 pounds, and you're talking about I've got 2 lithium batteries because I got a 50 amp as well that runs my fish finder, my GoPro, stuff like that. And so, running 2.9 to 3.0, 3.1 miles per hour, what I'm reading on my fish finder. I think that's pretty well. I think that's good. It's better than paddling. I tell you that. But overall, it's well constructed. I hadn't replaced any parts on it yet. So the only thing is when you turn this thing around constantly, and your cord here kind of gets mixed up and tangled up a little bit, but nothing hard to fix. It's got a quick release here, so all you gotta do is mash these down, push it forward in it, and it goes right into place. So it locks down. So it's not hard to deploy, not hard to get up either with my little makeshift deploy and rope there. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to give you all a review of it. I've got another video where I did a kind of a water test when I first got it, and just kind of seeing how it would operate. But the little wireless remote, it's in my truck, but I like it. I like and what's so good is if you have, say, if you fish out of a kayak and you got a little john boat that you fish with your family, and you needed to, you could actually buy you another motor mount, quick disconnect, put it on your john boat, put it on your pond prowler or whatever, and you can use this motor on there as well with the foot control. The foot control wire is up in here somewhere, so it has a quick disconnect on the foot control. The foot control isn't wireless; it's wired. So, but other than that, that's my review. I can say that it's been a heck of a trolling motor. Probably needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I've been on the go a lot lately. So yeah, you can buy them on Amazon. You can buy them off their website, things like that. So they do have replacement parts for them on their website as well. And hope you purchase one. Wish I had a discount code to give to you, but I don't. I bought it just like everybody else does. So Haswing, if you ever come across this video and if you want to throw some discount codes my way, I'll get them on my videos. So, but yeah, just if you happen to see me on the water and you want to try it out, I'll let you ride in it, let you operate it, kind of see how you like it. So as always, thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. We're just trying to bring in some more content. We got a lot of content to make. So, but as always, fish on and always wear your PFD.